Go.
Hi everyone, welcome to week 3 of Virtual Summer in the Garden, beginning Botanist, and this week's theme is Garden Galore. So it's all about the different types of gardens that you can have, and we're just going to show you a few examples. So to start off, I'm in a butterfly garden. So a butterfly garden is simply in the name, it attracts butterflies. So this is one of our butterfly gardens in the botanical garden called the Blue Butterfly Garden. We also have the historic butterfly garden as well. This right here is a Cactus Baron, which you might think is familiar from the barbed wire species spotlight we did previously. This Cactus Baron helps to create the perfect area for different cacti to grow, and it's just another example of a different type of garden you can have. Another type of garden you can have is a fruit or vegetable garden. So here at our native plant nursery, we have our Key West Native Victory Garden, where we have papaya, Everglade tomatoes, ground cherries, and several others growing here. So that's just another type of garden you can have. And speaking of which, if you want to start a fruit or veggie garden at home, a great way to start is to repurpose your kitchen scraps. So you can take pineapples, green onions, potatoes, tomatoes, a bunch of other things, and you can repurpose them and grow them at home very easily. So for today's activity, we have a tutorial on how you can do this at home.